Hello, in this tutorial, I'll show you how to add friends in Heyday. Now, the first thing I'd like you to do is to launch a Heyday application, which of course I have done right here. Now, the next thing is, how can you get the Heyday application? You can get Heyday on Google Play Store or Apple Store, depending on the device that you use. Launch any of the applications and locate the search bar. In the search bar, type Heyday and follow through the on-screen instructions to install. After installing the Heyday app, it's going to take you right into the sign up page where all you need to do is to follow through step-by-step processes to create your account. Now, after signing in successfully, it's going to take you right into this fantastic homepage where you can now explore a lot of features to have an exciting time on Heyday. So now that we're here, let's quickly hop into today's text, and that is how to add friends in Heyday. For you to add friends in Heyday, then you need to connect your Heyday to Supercell ID. How do you do that? From this home page, head over to the left corner of your screen where you have the three horizontal lines. Click on that. You have these extended options which include edit mode and settings. Click on settings and that takes you here. Now at the top corner you have Supercell ID. If you're not connected yet, that button that says connected is going to show login. So click on the login and connect to Supercell ID. After connecting the Supercell ID, come over here and click on connected, and that's going to take you right into Supercell ID. So from your Supercell ID, you can now add or invite friends to Heyday using Supercell ID. So from this home page here, you have add friends and you have the add button. So go ahead and click on add. And once you click on add, now you can add friends by scanning the QR code or by sharing the link to your profile. So you can click on scan QR code. Heyday would like to access camera. Go ahead and click on continue and scan the QR code. Let's say while using the app for permissions, scan the QR code of the person that you want to add to your Heyday. Or you share the link to your profile by clicking that. And you can now copy the link to your profile, or can use any of the social media platforms to share the link to your profile. That way, you'll be able to invite or add friends on Heyday. So once you have added your friends on Supercell ID, that friend is going to be automatically added to Heyday. So that's pretty much the process. Now you can go back to the tutorial from top to bottom to get acquainted with the steps, and once you're done, you'll be good to go. I hope this tutorial marvelously helped your search.